Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Let us see the statement of this theorem. Every natural number except 1 can be factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique except for the order in which the prime factors are written. So this theorem states that we have to find the factors of the given natural number. We know that method we studied in the lower classes. We have to start with the number 2 and then 3, 4, like that. We have to try the numbers. And finally, if we get a prime number, if it is not able to factorize, we can stop with that and take and write all the factors. Let us see the problems. If 1, 3, 8, 2, 4 equal to 2 power a into 3 power b, then find a and b. So by fundamental theorem, we have to find all the factors of this number. So take the number 1, 3, 8, 2, 4. First we can divide this by 2 because it's an even number. So dividing by 2 we get 6, 9, 1, 2. Again we can divide by 2. We get 3, 4, 5, 6. Again we can divide by 2. We get 1, 7, 2, 8. Again divide by 2. We get 864. Again divide by 2, 432. Again divide by 2, 216. Again divide by 2, 108. Again divide by 2, 54. Again divide by 2, 27. So if we have even number, we can divide by 2. And now we have got 27. This we can divide by 3. So if we divide by 3, we get 9. And this 9 also 3 into 3. So again we divide by 3 and finally we get the number 3. So the given number 13824 can be written like this. So write all the factors. We have 9 times 2. See this, count and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write 9 times 2 and then 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3. So this can be written like this. 2 power 9 into 3 power 3. Because we have 2 9 times. So that can be taken as 2 power 9. And we have 3 times, that is 3 power 3. So now in the question it is given that the given number is 2 power a into 3 power b. So equating that 2 power a into 3 power b equal to 2 power 9 into 3 power 3. Now equate both sides, we can get the values of a and b. Equating this first term, 2 power a, 2 power 9, we get a equal to 9. Equating this second term, 3 power b, 3 power 3, we get b equal to 3. Similarly, next problem, a and b are two positive integers such that a power b into b power a equal to 800. Find a and b. So by fundamental theorem, we have to find all the factors of 800. So take the number 800. First divide by 2. We get 400. Again divide by 2. We get 200. Again divide by 2. We get 100. Again divide by 2. We get 50. Again divide by 2. We get 25. So all the even numbers divide by 2. Now we have 25. This we can divide by 5 only. So that is 5 into 5, 25. So finally we write 5, 5. So the given number 800 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times 2. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that can be taken as 2 power 5. And then we have 5 2 times into 5 into 5. That is 5 power 2. So this 800 is 2 power 5 into 5 power 2. So in the question it is given that the number is a power b into b power a. That is equal to 2 power 5 into 5 power 2. So equating this, we can find the values of a and b. A power b into b power a, right hand side 2 power 5 into 5 power 2. So comparing this, a equal to 2, b equal to 5. This right hand side, this is multiplication only. So if we want, we can write first 5 square and then 2 power 5. So if we write 5 square into 2 power 5, in that case a equal to 5 and b equal to 2. So we write both possibilities. Next problem, find the LCM and HCF of 408 and 170 by applying the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Take the first number 408 and find all the factors of this number. It's an even number, so first we divide by 2, we get 204. Again divide by 2, we get 102. Again divide by 2, we get 51. And this 51 we can divide by 3. Exactly we get 17 times. So 3 17s are 51. Since 17 is a prime number, we cannot find the factors further. So we stop with this. So the 408 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 17. Write all the factors of 408. And this is equal to 2 cube into 3 into 17. Next number is 170. Find all the factors of 170. It's an even number, so first divide by 2. We get 85. And this 85 we can divide by 5. Exactly 17 times. That is 5 17s are 85. Since 17 is a prime number, we cannot find the factor further, so we stop with this. Therefore 170 equal to 2 into 5 into 17. So write all the factors of 170. So now we have the factors for the given two numbers. We have to find LCM and HCF. We know that LCM means we have to write the common and also all other numbers. So in the common number, we have to take the highest power, that is 2 cube, and write all other numbers, that is 3 into 5 into 17. 17 is common, so write 17 one time only. Now multiply this and write the answer. So multiplying this we get 2040. Therefore LCM is 2040. And HCF is very easy. We have to take the common only. So here see these two given numbers. The common is 2 and also 17. So the HCF is 2 into 17. Multiplying this we get 34. Therefore HCF is 34. Thanks for watching.